Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this M.2 NVMe and SATA SSD drive enclosure from SANZANG Master. With a dual protocol NVMe and SATA, free thermal pad, easy free tool installation, widely compatible with a 10 gigabit high-speed data transfer. You can use it for file transfer and data read or backup. Works with PC, laptop, TV, routers, Xbox, PS, any device with USB port and with a read-write compatibility. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product, how you can install your NVMe. In my case this Corsair. Ultra slim aluminum and ABS material, lightweight design allows for easy transportation and convenient use at home, office or while traveling. I like it. With an LED indicator here. Now to install the drive you need just to pull that, remove this plastic. Here it is the Type-C port. Remove the aluminum. It helps to cool down the NVMe, and inside we have the connection with a maximum capacity support up to 4 TB. It is compatible with various sizes: M.2 NVMe 2230, 2242, 2260 and 2280. And of course we need the NVMe. Now you need to remove this sticker and apply the thermal paste. That was all, so easy. And then remove again the cover from the thermal paste. And then we need to apply this heatsink. It is very cool. Here. Just press. And that was all. And then at the connection, just slide that at 30 degrees angle, press, and it locks. And then we have in this small silicone, I can say like a screws, and we need just to insert the one side here. Let me show you. And just press and it will lock at the back here in this hole. I like it, so beautiful. And then the only thing that you have to do, slide the aluminium case, then this, slide, and it locks. That was all. So beautiful. I like the design. Type-C connection. We have two output ports, Type-C to Type-A or Type-C to Type-C. It depends where you want to connect this external drive. We have a triple heat dissipation system combining an aluminum alloy cell, thermal pad and the cooling vest to have the best performance for your NVMe. I can connect that on my smartphone. And then on the File Explorer, USB storage 1, well, I have some files here, video files, more or less. and I can play the video. fixing this low machine from Bosch. So fast, I like it. Fast response. I like the speed. And we can see I'm just copying right now about 4 GB of file from the NVMe to my smartphone, and you can see this amazing speed. It takes no more than 10 seconds to transfer 4 GB. Wow. Just for the record, that was the file. More or less 4 GB. I like it. So, of course, we can connect it to my laptop with a USB type A. We can see on the LED indicator here. Or I can connect it to my router with a type A. And then I can just transfer data through any device from my smartphone, laptop, through this router to my NVMe, and I can read or write the data at any moment. Or I can connect that on my PC, on the Type-C port because it is faster. Now starting the test, I am transferring some files. Wow, the speed is amazing. 55 GB of video data only in 60 seconds. That is an ultra high speed NVMe case. Next, running the speed test, and we have a great results. It is small, portable and reliable NVMe enclosure with a high speed data transfer. You can have it with you and use all your important data anywhere at any time. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can check down below the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.